5. Are regulations costing too much? Recently, a man who operates a business told me that a considerable part of his time is spent filling out state and federal forms. "I'm a bookkeeper for the bureaucrats," he complained. However, it's not only private citizens who make such complaints. Fred Hedinger, executive director of the Pennsylvania State School Board Association, has released an interesting bit of information. In 1979, the state of Pennsylvania got approximately 7.5 cents of its educational dollar from the federal government, but it cost the state 8 cents of that dollar to comply with the federal regulations and administer the funds. Capsule, November 1980, 14. Now, such an expense could be justified if education were improved by federal regulations. After all, it is unwise to reduce education to a matter of cost only. The results determine the value of the expenditures. However, the quality of education has declined as federal controls have increased. The experts in Washington feel that they have more knowledge and ability to provide quality education than the local school board. Congress and the bureaucracy have seized more and more control over education, supposedly to improve educational quality and opportunity. The result has instead been a steady decline in quality and in opportunity. The result has been a backlash taking 3 forms. First, a demand for more local control over state schools. Second, the growth and development of Christian schools all over the country. Third, the development of various plans for home teaching. The unhappy fact is that Washington is not getting the message that regulations are costing too much in money, in manpower, and wasted time, and in the destruction of quality. Moreover, what has happened in education has taken place elsewhere as well. Regulations are stifling the economy, personal freedoms, and the quality of life generally. Like narcotic addicts, our society is becoming hooked on federal funds. Sports, arts and sciences, education, big business, and more all look to Washington for handouts. The last thing many seem to want is freedom. An editorial in the capsule sums it up. A society that is hooked on federal funds is one that has totally detached itself from the ideologies of Christianity and has swallowed the humanistic, funding fable hook, line, and sinker. Capsule, November 1980, 9. It's time for us to unhook ourselves